All right, here we are, math class, coming to you from the elevator today. Present integer rules of exponents. Right, so I'm recording the video. Everything that's in the video, you should probably have in your notes so that you can go back and look at it, so you can follow the rules. You need to pause the video so you can get everything written down. You have questions, just raise your hand, let me know. Here we go, integer rules of exponents. Integers, those are all your positive and negative numbers, including zero, only whole numbers. Moving on. So 4 rules I really want you to know. Okay. Multiplication of exponents, right? As long as your exponents have the same base, that's what the n represents. Okay. Whatever their exponent is, oh boy, got to go back, wrong slide. Whatever their exponent is, so n to the x times n to the y equals n to the x plus y. For example, right, 2 squared, 2 to the second, so that's just 2 times 2, times 2 to the third, 2 times 2 times 2. Same thing as 2 to the 2 plus 3, which is 2 to the fifth. And you can see that because right down here I've got 5 2's. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the fifth. Real simple. Second rule, division of exponents. Same thing but backwards. N to the x divided by n to the y equals n to the x minus y. Right? As long as your base is the same, this works. So 3 to the fifth, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, divided by 3 to the third, 3 times 3 times 3, equals 3 to the 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. See right here, 3 squared. Same basic thing. Okay. Negative exponents. Okay, so if you take n to the negative x, it just becomes a fraction or a reciprocal of what it already is. It becomes 1 over n to the x, and you get rid of the negative. Right? Going the opposite direction, if you already start off with 1 over n to the negative x, you take the reciprocal, which means flip the fraction over, and get rid of the negative symbol. For example, 4 to the negative third becomes 1 over 4 to the third, which is 1/64th. Same thing. Otherwise, 1 over 5 to the negative 2, you just flip it over, get rid of the negative, and you get 5 squared. Only one integer rule left. Are you ready? Before we go, I'm going to hit the button so we're moving while we do this. Exponent 0. Anything raised to the 0 power equals 1. N to the 0 equals 1. Right? So if you see a bunch of stuff in parentheses with a 0 as an exponent, done. All right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to try and get this one on YouTube, so if you ever need to study at home or you need some review, you can watch it. All right? Any questions? Let me know.